Hi viewers, this is TPS. Our today topic is about importance of indexation, citation and impact factor. Nowadays these terminology indexation, citation and impact factor are so popular. Many of us knowingly and unknowingly pronouncing these words, discussing about this. I'm right? So in this video we are going to see what is this terminology and what its importance. Come, we'll see one by one. So this particular heading covers the following topic: introduction about research and what is indexation service and what is the importance of citation and impact factor. Finally, how to check the journal quality. Now, what is research? Research can mean research, implying that the investigation of a subject matter for the purpose of adding to knowledge. The subject matter is already known, but for one or other reason it needs to be studied again. So, whoever started doing research, they will come out with some novel ideas. Sure, because all the novel ideas basically generated from the existed matter. I hope you agree. This novel idea is a first step of this research. Once you got a novel idea, it takes you into to develop a scheme. Once after developing a scheme, it takes you into to the experiment in practical. This practical experimentation gives results. These results may be a positive or may be a negative. Whatever it may, positive or negative, both are having equal importance. Now you are having results in your hand. What is next? That is, now you have to think. The next is to showcase your methodology, your findings to the open forum, to prove your findings is having a value. To prove your findings value, you need a tool, you need an option. That option is publication. When the word comes publication, certain knowledge you must need to publish your findings to right place or right journal. What is that knowledge in the sense you must know about what is topmost and high ranked publishers and what kind of journals they are having and what are all the titles they are having. Here the titles means that disciplines, specialization. Okay, here I have listed some top ranked publishers. Take Nature, American Chemical Society, Elsewhere, John Wiley, Lippincott, Springer, Oxford, Taylor and Francis, Blackwell, etc. The list is so big. Here I listed some few top ranked publishers. These top ranked publishers are having a variety of journals with different titles. For example, you see here, take a Nature. Nature are having A to Z the list of their journals in different disciplines. Just you type in Google search page, just Nature journal. That's enough. You will get this list. What all the journals are under Nature. The same way ACS. Just type ACS journal list. You will get their journals and their titles. So this gives you what are all the journals are available with the top ranked publishers. The word I am repeatedly saying top ranked, top ranked. Why? In the sense, these are the journals are indexed in top ranked indexation services. Okay. Now we are opening a screen to know about what is indexation service. Indexation service, which is to measure a quality of journal. In olden days, what happened? All the journals were indexed through Index Medicus. There is no other indexation service. All the journals has to indexed through Indexation Medicus. But now the situation is different. Nowadays, there are plenty of indexation services are available. Some are here I mentioned. Take here Science Citation Index, Scopus, Thomson Reuters, Index Medicus, Medline, PubMed, Google Scholar, SJR. Likewise, the list is so big. Really, there are n number of indexation services are came out with different rules and regulations. These all the rules and regulation for what, you know? To check the quality of the journal. Among the above, these two are so popular in current. That is SCI, means SC indexed and Scopus indexed. The main role of these two indexation service is assess the quality of the journal. That's it, nothing else. Again, I am saying that the top indexed service. Why these two are so top? Because we are aware. Because if anybody asking you about the journal, immediately the next question, the journal is Scopus indexed or ACI indexed. There is a word automatically we are asking. That means that popularity it has, and the rank of these two indexation services is too high because their service is so popular as well that it has a wide spread. That is the reason we are talking about these two indexation service. Fine. Next, why these indexation services are in top rank? You want to know that, then you need an idea about what is citation. Citation is a reference to a published or unpublished source. For clear explanation, I will take some example. Very simple. We started with research. Research takes you into novel idea. Novel idea asks you to design a scheme. Scheme takes you into perform experiment. Experiment gives you a result. Results takes you into publication. To publish your paper, you have to write a manuscript, right? After the manuscript, you have to communicate to the journal. Okay, journal do the peer review. Once after completion, the paper got accepted. After the acceptance, paper will got published. Okay. Now your findings came out. Now your findings are referred by other research person for his work. Then you will get a citation. What happened? Your methodology referred by other research person for his work or for her work. Once after completion, he will do the same process and will publish his paper. Once he will publish the paper, he has to quote your methodology in his paper. That is called citation. So more number of citation, it's directly proportional to more number of impact. It gives you more number of impact. What is impact factor here? Impact factor used as a substitute for the relative importance of journal within its field. Here journal as well, you can take individual, no problem. It means if you take a journal, how many papers are published by that particular journal. Among the research papers or review papers, how many papers are cited how many times. So number of citation directly proportional to impact factor. If the citation is high, obviously the impact factor is high. So this impact factor is awarded by Thomson-Reuters indexation service. Now we'll see how to calculate this impact factor. What are all the parameters are followed by indexation service to give the impact factor to the journal? These are all the parameters: language preference, citation, citation distribution, online availability, negative citations, publication lag book, and the last subjects. What are all the subjects are published in that particular journal? These are all the parameters are taken into the consideration to allot the impact factor to the journal. The continuation, how they are calculating this impact factor. Take a journal. In 2020, in the particular journal, how calculating their impact factor. So to calculate the impact factor, there are two things are needed. One is the total number of paper cited last 2 years. Second one, total number of paper published last 2 years. The formula is total number of citation divided by total number of publication. For example, 100 paper published in the year of 2018 and 19. So 100 divided by total number of paper published 2018 and 19. That is 70. So the impact factor of the particular journal is 1.42. This is the way to calculate impact factor. But important point is here, this is not only measure to allot the impact factor. This is having impact. This is having more important parameter to allot the impact factor to the journal. Okay. And next one, H index means high indexation or high index. How we can calculate H index? Example, there are 5 papers was published by a person. All the 5 papers were one time cited, then the H index of that person is 1. All the papers were one time cited, at the same time first 2 papers are cited 2 times. So automatically citation is, the H index of that particular individual is 2. So you want to improve H index, boost your H index, you have to improve your citation. Very simple. Citation is very important tool to improve your impact factor as well H index. I hope you understand the concept. Next, how to check the journal quality, the final section. Here I taken 2 tools. One is SCI indexation service, Science Citation Indexation Service. The second one is Scopus Indexation Service. Just to type that whatever I typed in the search column. For SCI you have to type Thomson-Reuters Master Journal List, and for the Scopus you have to type just Scopus Indexed Journal. You will get the search column. That respective search column, just you type the ISSN number of the journal. Each and every journals are having their own ISSN number. Just you go that before communicating your paper, take the ISSN number of the particular journal, just you paste it to the search column of both the SCI and Scopus journal search. Just you click. So this is the citation number I have typed, and I got this journal name, and the journal is available, and who is the publisher and where from they are operating. All the uh, details, you will get it. If the paper is having top ranked indexation service, suppose you are searching with the ISSN number in the search column of both SCI and Scopus, the result shows 0. It means that particular journal is not having quality. That particular journal is not having a proper recognition. So we have to avoid publishing into that particular journal. It is the only key how to find the journal, means quality journal. Many of the journals not even listed, they are claiming that their impact factor is, see that, 8. So you need a clear idea what is indexation service, what is citation, and what is impact factor. If you are not having that knowledge, simply you will believe and you go ahead. Your hard work will become total waste, utter waste, because this journal is not going to be circulated proper way. And no quality research person is going to refer this particular journal. If the research person is not referring this particular journal, obviously you won't get the citation. If there is no citation, there is no value for your finding. What is the conclusion of this particular video in the sense? You must gain knowledge about this all three terminology, what is indexation, citation, and impact factor. It gives you a confidence to choose a right journal to publish your findings. That's it. This is the aim of this video actually. I hope, my dear viewers, based on this discussion, you may gain knowledge about these three terms: indexation, citation, and impact factor. Thanks for listening this video as well, watching. If you feel that video is useful, you have to do 3 things, you know it. You have to like, subscribe, and share those who in need. Thank you very much.